2025 has delivered a rare moment in the world of humanoid robotics, a moment defined not by a launch, but by a retirement. Figure has officially concluded the real-world deployment of its Figure 02 humanoid robot at the BMW manufacturing plant, marking the end of one of the most ambitious industrial trials ever attempted by a humanoid platform. The news came directly from Figure's CEO, Brett Adcock, who shared a series of detailed updates on X, and those updates give us one of the clearest pictures yet of what humanoids can achieve outside controlled lab conditions. According to Brett, Figure 02 played a direct role in building 30,000 BMW vehicles. That is production-grade work in a factory environment that normally demands near-perfect consistency, timing, and safety. For a humanoid system still in its early stages, this number is staggering. Brett also confirmed that within the last 6 months alone, the robot successfully loaded over 90,000 parts onto the production line. These weren't stage tasks. They were daily operational cycles integrated into BMW's real workflow, cycles that required precision, reliability, and the ability to work alongside human employees without slowing anything down. And then came something rarely shown in robotics, the physical aftermath. Figure released footage revealing the wear and tear on Figure 02's body after months of continuous industrial labor, scuff panels, worn padding, stressed joint housings, and scratches from repetitive movements. Instead of hiding imperfections, Figure chose to show them. And that transparency is powerful. Why? Because it proves Figure 02 wasn't a polished prototype performing rehearsed demos. It was a machine doing real work under real pressure, long enough to accumulate real-world scars. This entire deployment generated an enormous amount of operational data for Figure. How joints withstand continuous torque, how actuators degrade across thousands of cycles, how the robot behaves in unpredictable factory environments, and how humanoids can integrate into human-centric workspaces without disrupting production flow. And this is where the story turns forward, toward Figure 03. Now that Figure 02 has retired, all of the insights gathered from BMW are being fed directly into the design of Figure's next-generation model. Figure 03 is expected to deliver better durability, smarter motion control, stronger actuators, improved material resilience, and a far more optimized manufacturing process. In other words, Figure 02 wasn't just a worker. It was the data engine shaping the next evolution of industrial humanoids. This retirement also marks an industry milestone. For years, companies have promised that humanoids will replace repetitive tasks in factories, but very few have demonstrated long-term deployments with measurable results. Figure 02 is now one of the first humanoids in history to complete an extended industrial assignment at scale, with hard numbers to back it up. And that changes everything. It signals that humanoid robots are no longer a futuristic concept or a flashy demo for social media. They're becoming practical tools, capable of taking on real work in some of the toughest industrial environments on the planet. With Figure stepping into its next phase, the competition across the humanoid robotics landscape is heating up. Figure 03, 1XS Neo, Tesla's Optimus, Unitree's H1, and others are now pushing toward the same goal: reliable, scalable humanoid labor. But today, the spotlight belongs to Figure. Because the retirement of Figure 02 isn't an ending. It's proof that humanoids can deliver value before they even reach full maturity. If you want deeper analysis on humanoid robots, breakthroughs, real-world deployments, and the coming wave of AI-powered automation, make sure to subscribe. The next generation of robots is already on the horizon, and we'll be here to break it down.